sending shots, these niggas they old. That boy rare, you know that he told. Like a granddad, I walk with that pole. Nike check from my head to my toe. Wait.
So guys, what up? It's Zach from Modified World. So this video is going to be like an unforgotten muscle car, which as you can see, it's an SS Sedan, or Malibu, whatever you want to call them. I call them an SS, but a lot of times when you say that, people think you're talking like the Monte Carlo. But this car, definitely one of the most forgotten muscle cars there is. If you look at it, it looks like a grandma's car. So this is a 2014 SS Sedan, family Camaro. That's pretty true. 6.2 liter LS3, 415 horsepower. It will get you and your family to soccer practice 10 times faster than your boring minivan. That's straight facts. 172 point inspection. I don't think really no one cares about that. It is stock, which is pretty nice. Leather seats, automatic, pretty nice. And then some random other stuff. But these cars are pretty slick. I've never sat in one, but I've heard the interiors on these are pretty incredible. Just look at that. It's updated. It looks new. And this one's $34,997. And it has 78,000 miles. That's a pretty good deal, because if you go out here and just look right here, 44,900. It has 28,000 less miles, and it's red. So not sure the big price difference, but I mean, these cars are pretty slick. In this video, you're going to see what you can turn these monsters into. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Until next time, peace. Like, just look how nice these things look, how good they sound. Step, bro. That's funny. It's a great license plate. Here's a example of what you can do to these things. Like, that's probably at least a 60 foot. Probably a 11 or 10 second pass. Just like, look how clean it looks. That has a Holden front end swap. 10 out of 10. And this one, that color is absolute fire. Pretty good fitment. The grill, I reckon, are super rare to get and expensive. Looks great though. And here's a little side angle, like perfect fitment, the wheels. Like, these cars are such good cars, and they're forgotten about. This one, you know, is nasty. It's got basically all carbon fiber. Looks like twin turbo. This is what you can turn them into if you got a big checkbook. Roll cage, the Holley ECU, it looks like. Just one nasty car. Might as well take the back seats out though. I mean, who needs those? Pretty sick though. It's full interior basically. It's pretty nasty. Here we have Willis. That's such a great name for this car. I think this is one of the Mystic Green ones, or it's wrapped, but either way, the color is super rare if that's the Mystic Green. Sounds good too. Like, these things are such good cars, and what I really like about them is you don't see 40 of them like you do Mustangs and Honda Civics. Corvettes. Like, these things are so just nice. Really not much else you can say. A few years ago, you could get one of these for like 30 grand. And now, like you saw in the earlier part of this video, like 44 grand for a stock red one. Like, out of their minds. The COVID attacks really hit these cars. Every car.
Not wanting to do a burnout.
Yeah, not wanting to do a burnout.
No, it just doesn't appear.
This color's pretty neat. It's like matte red. Absolutely gap that dude. Anyways, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully I learned a new car that could be on your to-get list. Until next time, peace out.